Follow me on my journey with this van as I pack it time and time again with my photo booth, bartending, and rental businesses. Here's the video you've been waiting for, how to blow a fireball at a party. I don't recommend doing this as it's dangerous, but I'm gonna show you how I do it at events. So here is everything that you'll need to make fire tricks work. So we've got Everclear, fire extinguisher, homemade torch, lighter fluid, and a lighter. So the homemade torch, you can always use a bottle and then put a rag in the top, but that looks tacky. I don't like that. So what I did is I went out and I bought a practice flare bottle. You can get these on eBay for anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks. And then I bought a torch and I merged the two together. The torch is poi torch. Poi is like fire trick stuff. So P-O-I torch, and then I just put it in the top of the bottle and then I taped around, and voila, I have a torch. So here I am on eBay just looking up flare bottles, and then here's torch options on eBay as well. And then lighter fluid. Be careful because lighter fluid is poisonous. If you can use 151, I recommend that, but it's been discontinued. So Everclear is the next best option. There's ups and downs with Everclear. So one of the bonuses is that it lights on fire very easily, but it burns hot, very, very hot. So this is dangerous stuff to work with, but it does the trick really well. I've just got this lighter fluid here, and you're gonna want to just spray it on the end of the torch. You're going to want to get your Everclear into a cup. I recommend 1 ounce is good enough for a decent controllable fireball. So I'm just gonna pour an ounce. There we go. Light up your torch. Now that you have your torch lit, you're just gonna want to put this in your mouth and then blow. Simple and effective party trick. So there's basically no wrong way to spit the alcohol out of your mouth, just as long as it doesn't get on your face and you get it all out. Guys, like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting videos like this all the time, showing you all my tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.